Part 1. New words.
Abroad. Go abroad. Travel abroad. Warm. Warm weather. Warm clothes. The sea. Swim in the sea. Have a holiday by the sea. A river. A long river. Swim in the river. A forest. Walk in the forest. A dark forest. A foot. Feet. Big feet. Go to work on foot.
Part 2. Grammar 1. Gerund. Let's go swimming. They didn't go skiing last winter. We can't go climbing today.
How often do you go shopping for clothes? I don't go shopping very often. I don't like buying clothes. How did you spend your holidays? Did you go abroad? Yes, we did. We went climbing in Austria. Did you go running yesterday? No, I didn't. It was very windy. I don't like running in windy weather. Where did you go swimming yesterday? There is a nice clean river near the forest. We went swimming there. When was the last time you went skiing? We went skiing 2 years ago. There was no snow last year and we stayed at home.
Part 3. Vocabulary 1. Phrases with go. Go abroad. Go home. Go on holiday. Go on a picnic. Go on a trip. Go to work. Go to school. Go to bed. Go to church. Go to the cinema. Go to the shop. Go to the beach. Go to the theatre. Go swimming. Go skiing. Go shopping. Go climbing. Go by bus. Go by car. Go by train. Go on foot. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Go for a drink.
The forest is beautiful in the autumn. Let's go for a walk. The cinema is not far from here. We can go on foot. We didn't go abroad last summer. We went skiing in the country.
Part 4. Read and choose.
He went to work by taxi. They went on a business trip to Paris. We need to go home now. I'd like to go to the shop on foot.
Part 5. Quiz. When we were on holiday, we went swimming every day. We usually swam in the sea, but when it was rainy, we went swimming in the pool. When we were on holiday, we went swimming every day. We usually swam in the sea, but when it was rainy, we went swimming in the pool.
When the weather was good, they swam in the sea.
We need to go to the shop. Our fridge is empty.
Okay, I'll get my car keys.
Your car keys? The shop is very near here. We can just walk there.
We usually buy a lot of food. We need a car to bring it home.
Oh, yes, you're right. I'll wait for you outside. We need to go to the shop. Our fridge is empty.
Okay, I'll get my car keys.
Your car keys? The shop is very near here. We can just walk there.
We usually buy a lot of food. We need a car to bring it home.
Oh, yes, you're right. I'll wait for you outside.
They went to the shop by car.